Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a look at the Adidas 3MC Disney collab. Before we get into our review, guys, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Drop some love, show us some likes, we want to see that thumbs up, and show some love in the comment section too. We try our best to reply to every single comment. Let's get into the review. So we have a look at the Adidas Originals 3MC Disney Sport Trainers in red. And we got this in a UK size 7.5. Unfortunately, we got this from ASOS and they like to whack their label on with the supplier label. So we did look into what they are. So the European size is a 41 1/3 and the US is a size 8. And there we go, look at this. It's goofy. So this is the goofy pack. It came in another white colorway as well. And this one has Goofy playing baseball. But let's start with the outsole. So this outsole is a Geoflex Adidas outsole. It's all rubber. It's flexed to shape the underside of your foot. And moving along onto the midsole, this is ADITOUGH. It's their Anti-Abrasion Midsole. You can see all the little bumps there. Because these, believe it or not, are a skate shoe. And well, they are kind of reminiscent of the Vans classics because of the lacing system. And I mean, it's all canvas upper. It does remind me of a pair of Vans. Apart from this full red canvas upper, you've got the prints of Goofy there. The Goofy movie is like one of my favourite films. If you've got Disney Plus, have a look at it. It's a great film. It's got a great song, Eye to Eye. Find leather panels at the heel, and you've got the Adidas logo in red, and at the tongue it's got Adidas and Disney, and you can find it on the insole as well. Not much to say about this sneaker. Again, it reminds me of a pair of Vans, so I'm going to compare it to that when I do an on feet. And here's my favourite colour, I love red. So let's try these on. Can't wait. Let's do this. Let's go.
Not the fucking.
When it comes to the fit, guys, get your true to size fit, whatever that may be for Adidas. I do get a size 8, but I think the 7.5, which is my true size, fits well. It feels quite tight because it's canvasy, but I feel like you can break into it. That makes sense. Like you wear into it, just like a cardigan, a jumper, I guess. Other than that, they look cool. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Until next time, peace.